In this video, I'll show you how to create Ghibli art. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your ChatGPT, right? So what we're going to do right now, click on this plus icon. Let's say I want to use the ChatGPT for, so let's say I want to use my how to edit for this, right? I will click on open. Just come on here, you type in please convert this to the Ghibli style art. Click on the enter, right? Okay, I think, okay, let me see, I can still come on here. I want to upload it, right? Click on the open. Okay, yeah, so it just uploaded, so I'm going to click on this, right? So it's sending its request now, so I'm going to wait for, yeah, so you can see it's getting our image ready. Okay, yeah, so this is our art. You can see it. Here is your Ghibli style artwork. So yeah, it looks like this looks very good. I might be using this for our, I think for our thumbnail or our title. I don't know. Sorry, our picture, our profile picture. So yeah, this looks good. Let me know if you'd like any modifications. So yeah, this is looking really good. So this is basically how you can create Ghibli art. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the next one.